Hi guys, my name is Maria Shell. I am so honored to be part of Depop's Now Next program for Black sellers.
Hello friends, so this is Anna from Now Next, and today we're going to talk about listing and what makes the perfect listing that is going to get your item sold on Depop.
Put on your buyer shoe, become a buyer.
When you're buying on Depop, what do you want to see? You want to see a clear picture of the item, of course, with a clear background, with nothing going on in the back. That's just going to bring more attention to your item and make it stand out more. It has to be clear what you're selling. If you model your item and you have an outfit picture, that's great, but if you have a jacket with a top, are you selling the jacket or the top? So you have to really showcase what you're selling.
It's very helpful if you take photos in natural light, very clean, very precise, very bright.
Get the lighting to the point where the color is as true as it can be. Sometimes if the lighting is weird, if it's too blue or if a sunset is too yellow, it can mess with the color of the item. But pretty much you just adjust the color and play with the lighting and the exposure to make it look like it's supposed to look. So we want our listings to be accurate and just showcase everything that the buyer would want to know. If there's any flaws, any stains, holes, even if it looks small to you, some people, they're picky. So make sure to show everything that is good to protect yourself.
Keywords are very important. This is something that the buyer themselves might be searching for. It's like, oh, if I wanted to purchase this item, what would I type into the search bar to get this particular item? Sexy white 2K denim vest/waistcoat. So it's very helpful. Switch out from seller mode and go into buyer mode. Thank you guys so much for watching. My Depop handle is Maria Shell. I know, so creative.
My name is Anna. My shop is A Little Buggy.
Have a good life.